Hi crafty friends, Elise here, the Cheeky Bum. I'm back with a swap reveal. This is an incoming swap. This was an American craft swap that was held by Michelle, who's Bay Area Crafts. And this was a while ago. I got this box while I was on vacation and I'm just now getting to it. So I'm sorry, ladies. I will tag everybody down below. And I'm just making my way through my boxes as I come. I still have like a American Crafts Vault sales box to go through that I haven't even opened yet. So I'm working my way through my boxes. I'm almost down to the end. But I'm gonna open this real quick. Okay, so this first swap is from, this is created by Brenda, who is Live Lovecraft. I will link her down below, and of course I will link Michelle down below as well. And she's got everything in this cute little bag. On here we have this little tassel tassel thingamabob. I think it's just beaded tassel. I don't know why I'm having such a hard time speaking today, but she's got everything in this really cute tote. She doesn't have anything on the tote, so the tote can definitely be reused, personalized for whatever else I would like it to be. And then on the inside here, I don't even remember what the requirements are. If I can find it, I will throw a picture up here. But I'm not 100% sure. I think it was, yeah, I really don't know. But we have a sweet treat here, which are Mike and Ike's jelly beans. Then our crafter's choice. I love how she's made little tags for everything. So she's got these little, these little bling strips are really cute. I don't know if I've seen anything like that. And then we have the cute little pink bows. Love those. And then something from her stash. So she's shared all this beautiful trim from her stash. Let's open this so you can see it. How cute this is. So we have this lovely green velvet trim. I actually have this. It's really pretty. And then we have this yellow heart, which I don't have. So that's really cute. I'm happy to have that because I want to do some bee crafts, and I think that this would be perfect. And then we have this blue pom-pom, and then of course a little bow confetti. So cute. Get back in the bag. So cute. Love that. And then this is a bulk of her swap. What she's made, I think. So we have, this is a beaded item that she's done. Look at this cute little bow topper. Bow bag topper that she's done here. I like how she's done like this little trim in the center of it. Very cute. So this is like a gemmy pickup pen or diamond dot pen, whatever you want to call it. I love these because I use them all the time. So this end you can put like a little bit of like poster putty or just the diamond dot little pickup stuff on the side for smaller things, and then you can use this side as well. And then she's got all these beaded, or of course it's beaded, all these beads in here, and it's so pretty. Love that. And then she's made, this is one of my favorite little banners. This is the Scrap Diva little banner, and I love that. And then she's got all these pretty flowers. I love the blue and yellow together. I am from Michigan, so it reminds me of Michigan. Blue and yellow. And then I like how she's done, I'll show you, her like backer piece. She has created little shaker pockets. How cute is that? So she's sewn 2 sheets of acetate together and put some sequins in there. So pretty. And then we have some bows. She's repurposed some ephemera packaging, and she's put her bows in here. So we have this one little, I think she's actually used this collection. I think so. We have this bow here, and then we have a purple and yellow bow underneath. And then right here we have this little dangle on her bag topper, and she's done the little, I'll take these out, little teacups. Aren't they cute? Oh, I love, she's even used like, she put little sugar cubes on that little spoon. That is so cute. And look at this little rosette here at the bottom. This is a cute little bag and totally reusable the way she's done it. So I love that I can repurpose. Such a cute swap. Thank you so much, Michelle, for hosting. Thank you, Brenda. Again, I will link Brenda down below. And let me get the other swap because it was make 2, receive 2. Okay, so here's the second swap, and this one is from Kim. I will link Kim down below as well, but look how cute. She's altered a little tissue box, and it's actually just a cover, so I can recover all the tissue boxes in my craft room. How stinking cute is that? Oh, I love that. I think I might have to make some of these because this is such a cute idea, because we all have our tissue boxes and might as well have it. Super cute. Oh, I love that. It's so stinking cute. Right here we have her little bows. Such cute bows. And then we have a little sweet treat. So we have, what do we have in here? I think this is from her stash and her sweet treat. So I'm guessing these are from her stash. We have these cute little bling flowers. And then we have some chocolate covered pretzels and some Forever Rocher. And then in here, we have some swap stuff. I love how I think she's just repurposed this box, or she made this box. I don't know, but either way, it's super cute. She's got a little note in here. Open this up. Says, hi crafty friend, I use Rainbow Avenue for my swap and I hope you like everything. XOXO Kim. So she is on IG. I don't think she has YouTube, but I will link her IG down below. And then here, ooh, look at everything. So we have, ooh, look at these pretty ribbons. So we have, I'm gonna open this because I need to know if that's like a solid piece of ribbon or 2. It's a solid piece. It's really dark and gloomy here, so hopefully it's not too bad. But we've had storms, and it's dark. Oh, so it is a single piece of ribbon. Oh, I like that. See how it's got like an off-white and a pink, and then some iridescent woven in there. Have this like a glittery little ribbon, and then we have this piece of lace with like some sand in between. It's really pretty ribbon. I like that. And here we have her beaded pen. So pink and girly. And then we have some flowers in here. She's created this little box that has acetate. And then here are her little flowers. So cute. These are, I'm pretty sure these are Scrap Diva. Because I've made this flower before. I'm pretty sure they're Scrap Diva. And then we have, look at this bag topper. So much fun. Look at all that sequin mix in there. And it's got this little house and a butterfly. It says Precious Memories. And then oh, we have a couple things. Here's another bag topper. Oh, I love this one. I love little tickets. So cute. I don't have either one of these bag topper dies, so I really enjoy that. I love that. And then look at these cute little rosettes. Oh, they're so darling. Oh, I love the paper. I like this rainbow. How she's done it. Like, however she cut it. It's made a rainbow all the way around. Is so pretty. And then this one's like a floral pattern. And then she's got like eyelash trim around this one, and then she's got like a gold mesh, but it's die cut gold mesh. So pretty. Thank you so much, ladies. Thank you, Michelle. This was such a fun swap. I will link all the ladies down below. I'll also link the video of what I made in case you're interested or if you missed it, so you can see what I made. And yes, I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.